Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the upcoming technologies that are going to change the world. So, without further ado, let's get started. Quantum computing. The first technology on our list is quantum computing. Quantum computing is a completely new way of computing, which uses quantum mechanics to process information. It's much faster and more efficient than traditional computing methods. With the help of quantum computing, we can solve complex problems that are impossible for traditional computers to solve. 5G technology. The second technology on our list is 5G technology. 5G is the fifth generation of mobile networks that will provide faster internet speeds and improve connectivity. With 5G, we can download large files in seconds, stream 4K videos without any buffering, and even control self-driving cars remotely. Autonomous vehicles. The third technology on our list is autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are vehicles that can drive themselves without any human intervention. They use various technologies such as sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to navigate themselves. With the help of autonomous vehicles, we can reduce traffic, decrease accidents, and provide transportation to those who are unable to drive. Augmented reality. The fourth technology on our list is augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that overlays computer-generated images onto the real world. It enhances our perception of reality and provides us with new ways to experience and interact with the world around us. With the help of augmented reality, we can improve education, entertainment, and even healthcare. So, these are some of the upcoming technologies that are going to change the world. We're excited to see how these technologies will shape our future and make our lives easier and better. What do you think about these technologies? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.